Welcome viewers. Homonyms, homographs and homophones, their meanings, explanation and use in sentences. In this chapter, we will study about homonyms, homographs and homophones. Meaning of homonyms, homographs and homophones. Homonyms are the words that sound alike and have same spellings but have different meanings. Homo having its Greek origin means same, just as in homologous or homogeneous. Names too having Greek origin means names, just as in pseudonyms meaning fake names. For example, beer and beer, bark and watch and watch, desert and desert, stock and stock. Beer means to tolerate. He could not bear separation from his children. Bear an animal, the juggler staged his show with the help of a bear and a monkey. Bear to procreate, to produce. A bitch bears pups. Bark, a dog's yelping. Seeing a stranger in the street, the dog started to bark. Bark, outer cover of a tree stem. The old man covered the fruit with a bark. Watch, a wristwatch, a timepiece. He gifted me a watch on my birthday. Watch, to guard. The watch and watch staff is on duty throughout the night. Desert, arid land. Camel is called the ship of desert. Desert, reward or punishment. The accused got their just desert. Desert, verb to abandon or leave. His friends deserted him during days of adversity. Fair, just. The judge is expected to be fair while delivering his decision. Fair, good looking. The young lady is having very fair complexions. Fair, gathering to celebrate. All the villagers have gone to see a fair. Homographs. Homo means same and graph means to draw or write, as in biography means to write about life. So, homographs mean the words written in the same way, that is, words having same spellings. Though they may or may not sound alike, yet they have different meaning. For example, reed and red, row and row, bow and bow, scale and scale, wind and wind, and well and well. Read, present tense of verb read. The chairman will read out the report to all members present in the meeting. Read, past tense of verb read. Read. The young boy read a poem in his class. Row, a line. It takes two to make a row. Row, to move a boat. The boatman was rowing the boat carefully. Row, ruckus, din, dispute. The opponents raised a row over passage of the bill moved by the minister in the house. Scale, a weighing instrument. The shopkeeper weighed the goods in the scale. Scale, to move up on a mountain. The mountaineers scale the highest peak of the mountain within a span of a week. Scale. Measuring rod. The shopkeeper measured the cloth with a scale. Wind. Moving breeze. A strong wind started blowing in the morning. Wind, to coil, twine or twist. My father used to wind his wristwatch daily. Wind, to traverse on curving course. The river winds its way through the valley. Homophones are words that sound like but have different spellings and different meanings. Greek word homo means same. Greek word phone means sound. Homophones are 8 and 8, blue and blue, bale and bale, break and break, compliment and compliment, deed and dead, die and die, dear and dear, fair and fair, floor and floor, gate and gate, hail and hail, here and here, heel and heel, marry and marry, pair and pair, read and read, write and write, sail and sail, stairs and stairs, sight and sight or sight, tail and tail, whale and whale, waste and waste, etc. Blew, past tense of blew, blow, fly in air. The strong wind blew away the papers lying on the table. Blew, to sound a whistle. The commander blew a long whistle and all the soldiers dispersed for a break. Complement, to supplement. She started her job to complement her husband's income. Compliment, commendation, praise. We all complimented him on his success. Hail, to come of. His parents hailed from this city. Hail, icy storm. A strong hailstorm prevented us from moving out of the house. Hail, welcome. The teacher's decision was hailed by all the students present there. Hail, healthy. I wish you to be always hale and hearty. Wail, cover. We saw a veiled statue in the garden. Wail, cries. The wails of the old woman brought tears in his eyes. Wail, valley. All the boys went to stroll in the vale in the evening. Waste, noun, discarded. Please put the waste in the dustbin. Waste, to while away. Please do not waste your precious time. Waist, part of body. He was wearing a belt around his waist. A few more examples of homonyms, homographs and homophones. Apprise, to acquaint or to provide information. The manager apprised the boss about the latest developments in the office. Appraise, to assert or evaluate. The banker got the value of ornaments appraised from the valuer. Auxiliary, sporting supplementary. In emergency, the auxiliary staff was put on duty in the hospital. Auxiliary, related to axle. The auxiliary rod of the wheel was replaced by the mechanic. Antique and adventurous experience or actions. The children enjoyed themselves to see antics of the juggler. Antique, traditional or relating to old times. We went to see antique weapons displayed in the museum. Beside, by the side of. The child was sitting beside his mother. Besides, in addition to. Besides the teacher, there were two students also present in the room. Bear, to tolerate. The old mother had to bear the loss of her money. Bear, an animal. The juggler presented his show with the help of a bear and two monkeys. Bridal, relating to a bride. The girl wearing bridal dress was looking pretty. Bridle, rein, restraint. There is a need to bridle the powers of the dictator. Complement, to supplement. She started working in an office to complement his father's income. Compliment, admiration or praise. We paid our compliments to him on his success. Continuous, to continue without a break. The authorities ensured continuous supply of food articles to the RP. Continual, to continue intermittently. The continual rains are good for crops. Confident, poised, assured. The young man is confident of his success in the examination. Confident, trustworthy, intimate. The manager is a confident of the boss. Considerate, thoughtful, careful. He is very considerate of helping me. Considerable, substantial or sufficient. A considerable time has elapsed when you visited us last. Council, committee. He is a member of municipal council. Counsel, verb, to advise or to guide. I tried to counsel with him, but all was in vain. Counsel, noun, advisor. You should consult some legal counsel for his advice. Conscious, aware. He is conscious of his shortcomings. Conscientious, diligent, hardworking. You can depend upon such conscientious worker like him. Root, part of a plant. The root of a plant lies under the ground. Route, path, way. They took a long route to reach there. Spacious, having sufficient space. His new house is very spacious. Vacuous, false, inaccurate. Do not rely upon his assurances. Proscribe, ban, forbid. This book is proscribed by the government. Prescribe, advice. Take this medicine as prescribed by the doctor. Lessen, to reduce. This medicine will lessen your pain. Lesson, class, lesson or moral. His message always contains a lesson in it. Facility, provision, flair, all the facilities were provided to the guests. Felicity, joy, pleasure. The speaker welcomed the guests with felicity. Gait, way of walking. She is very proud of her graceful gait. Gate, entrance. The host welcomed the guest at the gate of the house. Insight, to provoke. His provocative speech incited the workers. Excite, enthuse. The children were very excited to go out for a picnic. Illicit, against social norms. She has illicit relations with her boss. Elicit, stimulate, bring about. The inquiry elicited many unknown facts about the case. Illegal, against law. He amassed huge money through illegal means. Ingenious, creative, clever. Inventions are made by persons with ingenious minds. Ingenuous, innocent. Child's ingenuous smile won hearts of all. Collusion, involvement. The police is working in collusion with criminals. Collision, smash. There was a collision between a bus and a truck on the road. Thank you, viewers.